Hello children, chapter 6 fractions. Firstly, two important points is the first important point is when a nominator is same, then the fractional number that has a smaller denominator is greater. For example, compare 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3. Children, you know that in this fraction 1 is a nominator and 2 is a denominator. In this fraction 1 is a nominator and 3 is a denominator. And 2 denominator is smaller than 3 denominator. That is why 1 upon 2 fraction is greater than 1 upon 3 fraction. Show the symbol. Okay children. Next important point is when the denominator is same, then the fractional number that has greater nominator is greater. For example, compare 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 4. 3 is a nominator, 4 is a denominator, 2 is a nominator, 4 is a denominator. In this, denominator is same, 4. 3 is greater than 2. That is why 3 upon 4 fraction is greater than 2 upon 4. Show the symbol. Okay children, exercise 6F, question number 1, write these 3 symbols in the boxes. 1 has been done for you. 4 upon 10 compare with 4 upon 5. 4 is a nominator, 10 and 5 is a denominator. Nominator is common, then 5 is a smaller denominator as compared to 10. That is why 4 upon 5 fraction is greater than 4 upon 10. Show the symbol. Okay children. Next is compare 2 upon 5 and 2 upon 8. 2 is a nominator, 5 and 8 is a denominator. Nominator is same, 5 is a denominator and it is smaller than 8. So that 2 upon 5 fraction is greater than 2 upon 8 fraction. Show the symbol. Okay children. Next is 3 upon 4 compare with 3 upon 4. Both are equal. Show equal sign. Okay children. Next is compare 5 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. 5 and 4 are the nominator. 10 and 10 is a denominator. Denominator is common. Nominator 5 is greater than 4. That is why 5 upon 10 is greater fraction as compared to 4 upon 10. Okay children, next is compare 3 upon 8 and 6 upon 8. Denominator 8 is common. 6 nominator is greater than 3. That is why 6 upon 8 fraction is greater than 3 upon 8. Show the symbol. Okay children. Next question 2. Arrange the following in ascending order. 2 upon 5, 2 upon 8, 2 upon 7, 2 upon 10, 2 upon 3. Children, 2 is a nominator, 5, 8, 7, 10, 3 is a denominator. Nominator is same. Find out the smaller denominator. The smaller denominator is 3. The fraction 2 upon 3 is a greater fraction. And find out the greatest denominator. 10 is the greatest denominator. That is why the fraction 2 upon 10 is a smaller fraction. Firstly, you arrange the following fraction in ascending order. The ascending order is move smaller number to largest number. Firstly, find the smaller number. The smaller number is 2 upon 10. Write 2 upon 10. Then write 2 upon 8. Then write 2 upon 7. Then write 2 upon 5. And the largest fraction is 2 upon 3. Write 2 upon 3. This is the answer. Next question is 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 3 upon 6. Arrange the following in ascending order. Children, denominator 6 is common. तो आपको कंपेयर करना है नॉमिनेटर को. Nominator is 2, 4, 1, 5, 3. The nominator 5 is greater. That is why this fraction is greatest. And 1 is a smaller nominator. That is why 1 upon 6 is a smaller fraction. So firstly write the smaller fraction 1 upon 6. Then write 2 upon 6. Then write 3 upon 6. Then write 4 upon 6. And the largest fraction is 5 upon 6. Write 5 upon 6. This is the answer. Next is 1 upon 10, 6 upon 10, 5 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 7 upon 10. The denominator 10 is common. So compare nominators 1, 6, 5, 3, 7. The nominator 7 is greater, so that this fraction is greatest. And the nominator 1 is smaller, that is why this fraction is smaller. Firstly write 1 upon 10. Then write 3 upon 10. Then write 5 upon 10. Then write 6 upon 10. And the largest fraction is 7 upon 10. This is the answer. Okay, children? Question number 3. Arrange the following in descending order. What is descending order? Descending order moves largest number to smallest number. So firstly find the largest number. The fraction is 1 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 5, 5 upon 5. The denominator 5 is common. So compare nominators 1, 4, 2, 3, 5. The largest nominator is 5. That is why this fraction is largest. Firstly write this fractions 5 upon 5. Then write 4 upon 5. Then write 3 upon 5. Then write 2 upon 5. And the smallest is 1 upon 5. Next is 3 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 4 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 7 upon 10. Denominator is 10 is common. So compare nominators 3, 1, 4, 2, 7. The 7 nominator is greater. That is why this fraction is greater. 7 upon 10. Firstly write 7 upon 10. Then write 4 upon 10. Then write 3 upon 10. Then write 2 upon 10. And the smallest fraction is 1 upon 10. This is the answer. Next is 1 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 2 upon 7, 5 upon 7. The denominator 7 is common and the nominator is 1, 3, 4, 2, 5. So compare nominators. The greatest nominator is 5. That is why this fraction is greatest. The fraction 5 upon 7 is greatest. Firstly write 5 upon 7. Then write 4 upon 7. Then write 3 upon 7. Then write 2 upon 7. And the smallest is 1 upon 7. This is the answer. Okay, children? Thank you.